we left off like this. Now I think it's time we get the button to look a lot better than it does right now. And I've also opened up a Netlify over here, so at the end I can show you guys how to produce your own website and everything like that, so you can publish it in whatever you want to do. So let's do that. Let's get this style the button to look like that. There's no other button, so we'll just style it directly. Add the background color as RGB 228 56 and 93, that pink color. I'm gonna get the border to look the same because the border looks really bad right now, so just paste that in, and there we go. Put the color of the text in white. There we go. Let's change the font size of that to 18 pixels. That's a bit bigger. A height of 50 pixels, and I think the width is 100 pixels. Yes. It's on the left. Now I want it to be on the right over here, or even this looks pretty good actually. You know, wherever you want it to be. I think I'm gonna bring it to the right side though. By adding a margin to the left, 80%. Should bring it there. What else? Okay, there's this outline here again. Don't really want that, so I'm gonna make the outline as none. I also want like the hover, so when I hover over it, we get the cursor pointer, so we can just add that by doing button and then colon and then hover and then cursor pointer. Exactly. Okay, now let's add this footer over there with the copyright and everything like that. I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna just put here a comment. I'm gonna call it copy. A footer, and I think we'll just give it a class name. We don't need to give it a class name actually, because we're gonna style the footer directly, because there's nothing else that we're gonna be putting in it. So inside footer we're gonna put a paragraph. I'm gonna put minimal design. You put the and copy semicolon, and that gives you the copyright sign. So if we check out the document, there, minimal design copyright 2020. I want this to be in the center, so I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna put footer as a comment, and then style the footer by doing text align. Should be the first thing I want to do, is align that text in the center. I'm gonna add the background. It's a RGBA value of 0.9. Gives us a nice dark color. What's happening? A nice dark color. You can't really read it, so let's change the color of the text to white. Let's make it a bit thicker. I'm gonna add a padding of 1 rem 16 pixels. Okay, yeah, that 1 rem looks good, and I think that's it really. We've finished the website. Now I can show you guys how to upload it to, well, the internet. So you're going to go to netlify.com. Go to get started in seconds. can use your email, like I'm using my email. So this was, I uploaded 8 minutes ago, just testing to see if it was working. So let me just delete this site. Okay, now if you have a GitHub, you can use that, but I'm assuming you guys don't have a GitHub. So what I'm gonna do is let's just drag and drop the file. I think this was the one I'm using, personal project real site. So just drag and drop it. So the site is now deployed, and this is the link you can use. It says determined dash Tesla. I don't really like that domain, but you guys can change your domain if you wanted to change the domain. You can edit site name and make it whatever you want to do it, really. I called my minimal movers initially, so you like that won't be there anymore because I already removed it, but you guys can name it whatever you want. Maybe your company is, I'm gonna see if choose minimal design, since that is the name of the actual thing there. So now if you actually do go to that link, it opens the real website. So I see you guys can upload the website as well. Although I recommend you guys, when you use this for like an actual business thing, you guys can use it wherever you want to use it, like take the site and do whatever you want, but this loading time isn't the best, so I wouldn't recommend it. But there we have it. It's fully loaded and everything with the footer and all that's good. And in the next video, there's only one last thing I want to show you guys, and then that's really it. Yes, I want to show you guys one last thing in the next video with CSS. That's really cool, so I hope you guys continue learning. Then I'll have a presentation on further learning so you guys can keep going on. So yeah, I'll see you in the next